Struggling to give feedback on Google Slides without messing up the design? Learn the simple way to add comments in under 60 seconds. We'll cover selecting any element, opening the comment box, typing your note, and posting it. Let's dive in. So, let's start with the first action. You need to pick what you want to comment on. This is the most important part because your comment gets attached directly to that specific object. If you click on a blank area of the slide and then try to comment, it can get confusing for everyone else. So, take your cursor and just click on the text box, the image, or the shape you want to talk about. You'll see a blue border appear around it to confirm it's selected. That's your cue that you're in the right spot. If it's a word or a phrase inside a text box, you can even highlight just that specific text with your mouse. This is really handy if you want to suggest a better headline or correct a single sentence without changing the whole paragraph. And here's the thing. From my experience working with complex team decks, being this precise saves you a ton of back-and-forth emails later. Once you have that text or object selected, now you need to actually open up the comment box. There are two really easy ways to do this, and I want to show you both because they're both useful in different situations. The first way is to look up at the toolbar at the top of your screen. You'll see a small speech bubble icon with a little plus sign inside it. That's the Add Comment button. Just click it and the comment box will open on the right side of your screen. The second way is even faster if you're already working with your mouse right on the slide. You can right-click directly on the selected object and then look for Comment in the drop-down menu. I personally use the right-click method about 90% of the time because it keeps my hands right where the action is. But if you're someone who prefers using the toolbar, both options work exactly the same way. So just pick whichever feels more natural to you. Now that the comment box is open, it's time to type your feedback. This is where you actually get to be helpful. You'll see a small text area waiting for your input. Now, pay attention to this one. Try to be clear and direct with what you need. Instead of just typing, "fix this," which isn't very helpful for anyone, try something like, "Can we change this headline to be more action-oriented?" Or, "The image on the right looks a little blurry. Can we replace it with the high-res version?" If you need to tag a specific person, you can type the @ symbol followed by their email address. This sends them a notification directly. It's a huge time saver for team collaboration. One common pitfall I see people run into is typing their comment but then clicking away from the slide. That doesn't save it, so keep your cursor in that comment box while you type. Finally, you need to post the comment to officially save it. Look at the bottom of that comment box and you'll see a blue button that just says Comment. Click it. This might take a moment to process. And there it goes. Your comment is now live, pinned directly to that text or object. You and your collaborators can see it, reply to it, and eventually mark it as resolved when the feedback is handled. That's really all there is to it. And there you have it. You now know how to add comments in Google Slides to give feedback without cluttering up your design. It's a small feature, but it makes a huge difference in keeping your team's workflow smooth and professional. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out our other productivity guides from AI Mastery for more practical tips like this one. Happy collaborating!